Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the Cloudflare cache. So first of all, come here on cloudflare.com and then sign in into your account. Now over here on the dashboard itself, you just have to simply use the search bar and then simply search for caching. You can also go to the domains section here in the left hand side and then you can just simply select that particular domain where you want to clear the cache. So when you are inside the settings of your domain, in the left hand side you are going to see the option of caching. So you need to click on the option of configuration. Here you will find the option of purge cache section. So you just have to click on the option of purge everything. This way Cloudflare is going to show you this type of confirmation message explaining that all the cached content for the zone will be removed. So you just have to click on the option of purge everything and confirm the action to continue. Now once the purge is completed successfully, Cloudflare is going to start fetching the fresh versions of your website's file from the original server when visitors request them. So that's how you can do it. Now you need to remember that purging the Cloudflare cache does not delete the original files from your hosting servers. It is only going to remove the Cloudflare's cached copies. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.